Isaac, let's get to Mattel, and Mattel's share price declined today, down 15%. What do you make of this particular issue, where the share price is at the moment?
Because I think what's happening with Mattel is really it's headless. The board of directors is the most incompetent I've ever seen. They're rubber stamping everything. And this is not the first time it's happening with Wilfred, with Mattel. If you remember when they reported the fourth quarter numbers, they said, oh, the numbers are going to be good. And then 2 weeks later at Toy Fair, they retracted that and stock dropped 30%. And again, they're playing hanky-panky. I don't know the exact thing that they're doing, but in my opinion, this is a major material thing that they pulled. I've never seen in 40 years that a company pull a bond that was supposed to close yesterday right at the last minute. So it is, I think it's the beginning to an end of Mattel, and it's unfortunate.
The only thing I can offer here is there's a UBS note today saying that they talked to management, and while they don't know what the issue is, they say that the company's message is that terminating the deal may not necessarily be indicative of the materiality of the potential issue. Either way, Isaac, are you still trying to buy this company?
No, not. Yes, I will buy them in bankruptcy, but not now. I don't think it's going to be much longer. I don't think it's going to be much longer. Look, last time, Sarah, that I was here, I showed you an LOL OMG doll, and I said this is going to really take a lot of market share from Barbie. And that product has been in the market only for 4 weeks. It is the #1 selling fashion doll. Barbie is no longer the #1 selling fashion doll, only after 4 weeks, and is on the top 5 toy of everybody. So there is a lot of competition. It's coming after Mattel this fall. LOL from MGA. We have another product called Poopsie Unicorn Surprise that is also coming. And don't forget, we have Hasbro has Frozen.
Where's it made? Is it made in China, Isaac? Are they all made in China?
Yes, everything is made in China.
So does that mean that Americans are going to be paying more for it when the next round of tariffs go through?
Yeah, it's unfortunate, absolutely. And I hope Mr. Trump, if he's listening, he will spur the toys with tariff, because these toys are in the second half 65% of the consumer's business for toy companies, and a lot of people are not going to be able to afford toys. And if the prices go up, the prices don't go up by 10%, they go 2-3 times, because the retailers add their margin on that tariff. And
how quickly could you move production to a different Southeast Asian or even back to the U.S. Country?
It's going to take years to do, because we don't have the skilled workers, we don't have the equipment, we don't have the infrastructure. Look, MGA has the largest toy factory in USA, Little Tikes, in Hudson, Ohio. With all of that, we are only at 30% capacity, because we cannot even get labor. With the immigration laws, we cannot get skilled labor. So it's easier said than done. Or move the production to USA. It's not possible. It's not possible. And toy business is such a small portion of the economy. I really hope and that toy business is spurred from the tariffs.
Yeah, it is not echoing what Jerry Storch said.
No, supposedly have said.
Yeah, what Jerry Storch supposedly said. Former Toys R Us CEO, who Peter Navarro was quoting as saying it won't impact the U.S. consumer.
Yeah, and Jerry Storch is a very good friend of mine, but I disagree with him. He's been in the retirement for a few years. I am in the midst of the toy business every day.
You're also apparently wearing a wig, trying to recruit Mattel employees. Can you explain to us what we're looking at in this photo, please?
Yeah, this is in this photo we have a new product called Pop-Up Hair that's coming out, and we're in toy business. We gotta have fun. So our employees said, "Hey, would you mind?" I used to have an afro, so they said, "Would you mind putting your wig on and take pictures?" And I said, "Sure, we're in toy business. Let's have fun." But as far as Mattel employees, yes, openly we're going after them. not the people in the C-suite. We will not hire any of them. They're not good. But there are a lot of great people who don't get recognition at Mattel. We just hired a very strong one, and we will hire a lot more from Mattel.